so excited to get started with Rosie. She reached out to us through a virtual consult online. Immediately being able to meet her, not only through the virtual consult and then kind of following her story a little bit on Instagram, seeing how bright and so much personality and such a good mom. And I just love following her on that and being able to see what we could do for her smile. And she immediately had mentioned how self-conscious she had been, but had poured everything she had over the last few years into being a mom and doing it for her kids. And that was the one thing that really stuck out to me, is now it was her time. It was her time to be able to focus on her, get this done. I knew right away when I saw the shapes of the teeth that there was a lot to improve upon and that it could really be a slam dunk. So I'm just excited to be able to share this experience with her and with you guys so you can kind of see how awesome it's going to turn out for her. I think it's just going to be incredible. So the thing that we're focusing specifically on with Rosie is misshapen teeth. When you see on her before, you'll see that she was just born with teeth that weren't the natural size and length that would fit into her smile. It's not that she's worn them out or that they've turned out that way. It's just that she was born that way. And so what we're trying to do is reshape the teeth, get a little bit more proportion, the right shapes that they're supposed to be in the front and on the sides. Because Rosie has a really nice wide smile to begin with everywhere else, we really decided to only focus on just the front 4 teeth. So you'll see as we take her through this journey that we're taking her through the smile test drive and then putting temporaries on her teeth so she can try out what they're going to be like. And in the very end, we're going to deliver nice, beautiful porcelain veneers. We're going to have 4 porcelain veneers on top of her misshapen teeth. So if you have questions right now though, and you want to be able to connect with me immediately, the best way to do that is go to dr.westonspencer.com. That allows you to submit a virtual consult request. I usually get back to you within about a day talking about your specific smile and how we can help it. So go to dr.westonspencer.com to get all your questions answered right away. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, turn on your bell notifications because everybody wants a notification from their dentist.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk